I'll start like this, but tell me, no. Okay, yeah, I'll use a speaker. Hi everyone, I'm Chen Almog. I work for the Wikimedia Foundation as part of the Community Resources team. And I'm here to talk to you today about our grant-making programs at the foundation. Okay, so what is grant-making? Eventually we have different kind of programs that I will walk you through, but what I want you to take away from this is that if you have any idea, an initiative, something that was done before, but something new as well, reach out to us. Let's explore and see what kind of opportunities for funding we have to support your initiative. No, wrong way. Okay. So more generally, what are we going to focus on for 2023, 2024? This is based on the movement strategy recommendations and interests. So the things that we're going to focus on or prioritize are areas of desired impact. So this is how you define impact, what kind of impact you bring to your communities, your language, your projects and initiatives. We really want to think more intentionally about power sharing with the regional focus. So we acknowledge that there are many communities in the region. How do you collaborate together? How do you share knowledge? How do you share power? How do we do better in decentralizing knowledge and funding? We want to focus on equity and increasing funding for underrepresented communities. This is a focus for worldwide for the entire movement and all of our funding programs. And we want to focus on capacity building. We have a lot of opportunities for capacity building, for learning. We have specific programs like Let's Connect that Jessica will talk about in the next few days. We have learning platforms. We have sharing with communities, sharing among community members. So those are a few of the things that we can do. So what are the grant-making programs that we can support you in? This is a very condensed presentation. So I'm gonna walk you through our major programs, but again, reach out to us if you think you have a different idea because we have more programs within those structured. So the first one is that we'll talk about is the Wikimedia Community Fund. So within this program, this is like an open call for many kind of community support. So the first one is Rapid Fund that maybe some of you already know. This is a program with a shorter timeline, with kind of a faster processing for smaller initiatives, smaller projects, things that you want to do now and build on top of that. So the funding is also smaller than the others. The other program we have is Conference and Events Fund. That's the program that I lead. This is to organize community-led events and gatherings. Those can be regional, those can be thematical, those can be thematic, those can be local. This conference was funded out of the Conference and Event Fund program. We want to focus on not only gathering people, but also how do we build capacity, how do we build leadership, how do we build skills to organize events, but to organize communities. The biggest program that we have actually is the General Support Fund. This is a more flexible program for larger scale initiative project, more for annual plans. We also provide multi-year funding. This is kind of new. More focused on affiliates, less individuals. So for Rapid Fund, you can also submit as an individual. But the General Support Fund is more for user group, for affiliates, for big groups who want to advance their work and their impact. Okay, so another program that we have is the Alliance Fund. The Alliance Fund is designed for mission-aligned organizations. So other organizations, non-Wikimedian, that work directly with Wikimedia, or that through those organizations you can increase awareness, increase your network, contribute to the Wikimedia ecosystem, in a wider scale. We encourage collaboration with other mission-aligned organizations to expand the network. Can be a lot of different initiatives and interest areas, but overall anything that promote the free knowledge ecosystem. Another one that we have, this is the second year that we have this program, is the Research Fund. So this is an opportunity for researchers or for communities to bring their research interests for funding for research in many different disciplines. We're prioritizing regions with less representation that has a potential for direct impact on your local communities. So it means that you as researchers and individuals can submit, can apply for this project, and you'll have the research team to work with you on that. But this is also an opportunity for you as a community or different communities to welcome, to ask for, to collaborate with researchers on your specific research interests around Wikimedia. So if you identify something that you want to dig deeper into, this is an opportunity to do that. So Movement Strategy Implementation Grants that very recently joined the Community Resources team. This is a program that is focusing on implementing strategy, right? We heard about and hopefully engage with the movement strategy process, recommendation and initiatives. So this program is to support volunteers and affiliates looking to advance movement strategy within their communities. Something important to know here that if you apply for this program, your proposal needs to be really tied into a very specific initiative out of the initiative that we've identified. The movement strategy team will work with you. This is a really great opportunity for affiliates as well and for user group to really look more into their strategy and their overall plan, how they tie into the wider movement strategy strategic directions, and to really get like hands-on support from the strategy team that can help you build, not really build a strategy, but to understand how to implement, what the kind of things you need to clarify, what are the next steps for you to advance your work. So as I said, this is a condensed presentation. We do have other funding programs such as the technology fund that we hope to launch soon, not active at the moment, but we hope to start very soon. Knowledge Equity Fund, Organizers Lab. This is something that we had now for the first time. This was the first round for community organizers and leaders on how to organize campaigns. Other initiative projects. This is like a series of sessions. We have the Wikimedia Education Grant soon, hopefully. And I'm on time, right? I'm good. Very good. So let's talk. I really encourage everyone to look into the opportunities. I think in the region, again, there's a lot of communities. So there's a lot of opportunities. We can help you find the right track or the right program that fits your needs and interests. I also want to tell you that I'm from the Community Resources team. I'm here. Jessica is also from the Community Resources team. She's also here. Feel free to reach out to us to ask any questions. Also, tomorrow during lunch, we will hold like an informal meeting, gathering. We'll tell you where exactly, but anyone who has other questions, you want to know more, you want to talk about ideas that you have, please reach out to us. And I hope you'll have a great conference. And thank you very much for the organizing team. They're doing amazing work.